Hey there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here. So first, I want to say welcome to all the new viewers. I got a few new followers, so I want to say welcome. So in this community, we're getting better at everything that we do, and we're doing that by using the laws of the universe, right? Using our mind. Um, okay. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the mind and how we can get an image of it. Okay, now why is this important? Because if we don't understand what something is, we really can't do things with it. For example, if we say, okay, cat, what is, and if you don't know what a cat is, you're like, what is a cat? You're like, oh wow. They tell you it's like some kind of animal, but you have really no image of it, right? So what you need to do is you need to have an image of it. All right, so you need an image of it. Now, in this video, it's going to be right here on the side. Okay, it's going to be on the side right here, so you can have an image of it. Okay, it's very important to have an image of something. Okay, now this is not how the mind you can say actually looks, because the mind is everywhere. Okay, close your eyes, think about the past. You're in the past. You're over there. Close your eyes, think of yourself in China. You're in China. Okay, so your only consciousness is ever present, past, future, and now. Okay, that's why time is a construct, but we're not here to talk about time. Okay, we're talking about how you can use your mind to manifest anything you want in your life. Okay, so right here, look, it's a big circle. Okay, and I got this from Bob Proctor. This is how Bob Proctor teaches how the mind looks. Okay, the big circle is the mind. Okay, now you split it in two. There's two parts to it: conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Okay, I apologize about the noise in the background. If you hear little bells, that's the ice cream man. I live in an open apartment complex, and guys can just walk by and stuff like that. Okay, now the bottom of this big circle is another little circle that represents your body. Okay, now what's important here is the subconscious mind. In the subconscious mind, you have the level of vibration that you're on. Okay, and your subconscious thoughts that run on automatic. Okay, and in order to change, okay, what's in your subconscious mind, you must create new thoughts in your conscious mind. Okay, on the top part of the circle. Okay, now when you do it over and over and over and over again, right? When you visualize over and over again and feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled, right? You feel it, you affirm it and you feel it, right? You say, I am. Then whatever your affirmation completes, right? When you say it with feeling and belief, it's gonna go into your subconscious mind. Okay, over time you gotta do it over and over and over and over and over again. And when you finally hit that vibration on an automatic, like you can say context, right? You don't have to say that affirmation anymore. You're just in the vibration. Everything starts coming to you, right? You start seeing new ideas, new evidence of your manifestation, or steps to take toward your manifestation, because now you're on that vibration. Okay, new people will come to you into your life. Okay, and that subconscious vibration is where your body is vibrating at as well. Okay, all right, your body vibrates and the level that your subconscious is vibrating. Okay, that's why sometimes things don't come your way, or negative things are still coming to you, because you have certain subconscious thoughts that are allowing those types of things to come into your life. Okay, just got to be strong and realize that you can change that. You can change your circumstance, and use your conscious mind and use feeling to change what's in your subconscious. Okay, because what's in your subconscious is in your body. Okay, it's your vibration, and what your vibration on is what you attract and how you will act. Okay. Hope you like this one. This one is more about having an image of the mind. And the image of the mind is this big circle right here. Okay? Split it in half. Then you have two parts to it, conscious, subconscious mind, and the body. Okay? The most important thing here is the mind. Okay? Think about it as a circle with two parts to it. Subconscious mind is the feeling mind. And the conscious mind is the intellectual mind, where you have your imagination, you know, your will, focus, things like that, your logic, and other intellectual factors. Okay. But in this video, I'm specifically explaining to you how to change your subconscious mind. Okay. You do it by repetition, affirming with belief, visualization. Okay. Visualization. Now, make sure you do this 3 times a day, visualize 3 times a day, or affirm this 3 times a day. Do both. It doesn't take shouldn't take more than 20 minutes, right? Fastest could be 5 minutes. You just close your eyes, visualize, feel it, boom, affirm it, boom, go on with your day. So, okay. All right. So hope you like this one. If you want more information, I go more in depth in my books. You want a long-term program, a long one-year program. Bob Proctor talks about this in his introduction. It's an introduction program, and the link is in the description as well. All right, if you like this one, peace.